I couldn't wait to get to New York City and take advantage of our beautiful campus here in Manhattan, the Fisher Center in Midtown, just south of the Empire State Building. There's restaurants in the area, coffee shops, and it's only 2 streets away from the subway.
I'm so passionate about the future of entertainment, media, and music, and Newhouse NYC combines all the city has to offer with awesome facilities.
I'm so grateful for the experiences that Newhouse has provided me with here in the city so far. It's allowed me to explore more about myself and the world around me in ways that I never thought I would.
I'm so grateful for the tools that Newhouse has given us here in New York City. The access that we've been given to industry professionals has been more than I could have ever dreamed of. I'm so excited for the future.